Bisbee is a charming town located in the Mule Mountains of southeastern Arizona that blends rich history, vibrant arts, and natural beauty. Whether you're a history buff, an outdoor enthusiast, or someone seeking a unique cultural experience, Bisbee has something to offer. Here's a guide to help you make the most of your visit to this hidden gem. Start your journey at the Bisbee Mining and Historical Museum. This Smithsonian-affiliated museum offers a deep dive into the town's mining heritage. Exhibits showcase Bisbee's transformation from a rough-and-tumble mining camp to one of the richest mineral sites in the world. Wander the narrow, winding streets of Old Bisbee, where Victorian-style buildings house eclectic shops, galleries, and cafes. The town's colorful history is reflected in its well-preserved architecture, making it a delightful place for a leisurely stroll. Known as the town of 1,000 steps, Bisbee's steep staircases are a unique way to explore the town. Each staircase offers a different perspective, often leading to hidden gardens, murals, and stunning vistas of the surrounding mountains. Bisbee is home to a thriving arts community. Visit the many galleries and studios showcasing local artists' work, from contemporary pieces to traditional crafts. Don't miss the chance to meet some of the artists and learn about their creative processes. Plan your visit around one of Bisbee's many cultural events. The Bisbee 1000 Stair Climb, an annual fitness challenge, and the Bisbee Blues Festival, celebrating great music, are just two examples of the vibrant community events that highlight the town's lively spirit. The Mule Mountains offer excellent hiking opportunities. Trails like the Bisbee Loop and the Mule Pass offer breathtaking views and a chance to see local wildlife. Birdwatchers will find the diverse habitats around Bisbee to be particularly rewarding, and with a chance to spot rare species. For a more relaxed outdoor experience, head to the Turquoise Valley Golf Course, one of the oldest courses in Arizona. The scenic course provides a challenging game with the beautiful backdrop of the desert landscape. Bisbee's dining scene is a delightful mix of flavors. Enjoy a meal at one of the local restaurants, where you can savor everything from traditional southwestern cuisine to international dishes. Popular spots include Cafe Roca, known for its gourmet dishes, and the Bisbee Breakfast Club, famous for hearty breakfasts. Experience Bisbee's nightlife by visiting local breweries and bars. The Old Bisbee Brewing Company offers a range of craft beers in a relaxed setting, while St. Elmo Bar, one of Arizona's oldest continuously operating bars, provides a taste of local history with your drink. Extend your stay in Bisbee by booking a room in one of its historic hotels. The Copper Queen Hotel, built in 1902, offers a charming and possibly haunted stay with modern comforts. Alternatively, the Eldorado Suites Hotel provides spacious accommodations with a touch of vintage elegance. For a more intimate experience, choose from the many bed and breakfasts scattered throughout town. These cozy lodgings often feature personalized service and a homely atmosphere, making your stay in Bisbee even more special. Bisbee is a town that captivates visitors with its rich history, vibrant art scene, and natural beauty. Whether you're exploring underground mines, hiking mountain trails, or simply soaking in the local culture, it offers a unique and unforgettable experience. Plan your visit today and discover all that this enchanting town has to offer.